Advent calendar time. Ooh, ooh. With my favorite little cheater. Day 6, right? Or day 7?
Yeah.
Day 6. Okay, we have the Sigma 12 Days of Beauty. Right here. Let's see what it is. Close the eyes. It's an eyeliner. I hope it's Wicked. Color Wicked. If not, it's okay. But it's my favorite black one.
Wicked.
It is Wicked. You guys, this is Wicked. Yeah. So... Oh, I just finished talking to my sister. So I got the Sigma Wicked Gel Liner. It is really good. Probably one of my top 3. I love this one. Probably this one the best waterproof wise, and it doesn't smudge. And then another high-end one I love is Inglot, but sometimes that gets a little smudgy if you have oily skin. You got to really make sure you set that whole area good, and then you put it on. But okay.
Set it and forget it.
Set it and forget it. What'd you get?
This is a new item. Like I actually had the set last year, so it's a tie.
Oh, YouTube hand.
Elbow. It's a tie interceptor, which is like a tie fighter, but a newer version. And if you're very familiar with Star Wars, this is like one of the newer tie fighters.
Everybody complimented your YouTube hand.
My YouTube hand.
Yeah, because you did like the YouTube, like when you show something, like.
Oh, I went like Mighty Morphin Power Rangers.
Yeah.
Right?
Morphin. Oh, I also did my gel polish because I went to my mom's earlier. Let's see. It's red. It's kind of showing more. Well, it's not super red though, huh? It's just like light red. It's like a light red, like a strawberry red. I might do another coat, but I was too lazy to do designs and stuff, so I just wanted to do it really quick while I was visiting my mom. Let's see. Number 6 right here. Might be a pencil. Let's see. Oh no, it's a packet. It's maybe a hair mask. Oh, it's cucumber eye masks. Oh, I like this one. I think this one's a really good one. I'm excited to have this. I love cucumber stuff too. You ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Ha! Yeah.
I tossed it. Ow! I'm in a headlock, my bottom lip. Because I knew you were going to say whoever eats it first, so I tossed it. I think this is my favorite part of the day. Ow, you hurt my hand.
It's alright. Already.
You're so like I have this sweater I can't lift. Oh, see that? Bruce from wrestling from him. It was like green, blue, every color. Oh, you like gave me a lip injection. Whoever ate it first won. I did.
No sweater, finish the first one.
My Lord. Oh, I almost choked. You guys. When I was a kid, I wasn't allowed silly straws. The ones like that twirl, and I loved them because I always choked. Oh, I finished.
Look.
I finished.
I already know what number 7 is. I'm going to remember it tomorrow.
You know what? No, you're look at
8 in the corner.
It's just such an open cheater.
10 at the bottom.
Yeah, that's... Babe, they already knew that you're a cheater.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, they already knew. You guys want to see Hercules? Hercules! Oh my gosh. So how's it feel to be an out and open cheater?
First thing, I'm going to whoop, right?
Cheater, everybody knows, and everybody who's been watching vlogs before was like, Glenn stays cheating.
Stage cheating.
Stays cheating.
Well, hey, if you memorized everything before, then it's not really cheating. It's called studying.
How is it a race? Like, you can't study like something that you're not supposed to see. Like,
Well,
it's a race to see who can see it first. You're not supposed to study it.
Yeah? What about when you go to school and you do your SATs?
This is just a game, like a challenge. You can find a number quick.
Well, yeah. When I play Mario, I know
Sore
where everything's
loser.
at.
All right, guys, I'm going to turn off the camera. Sore loser. Sore loser. You got to get used to the camera. He's always looking at it like, what is that? I'm always taking pictures of him, too. Got to get those angles, boy. Also, I should have shown you guys, but I'm sorry I didn't. I made chicken katsu, and it's basically breaded chicken with seasoning and all that and katsu sauce. This one is the best one that you can get. Bulldog. This exact one, tonkatsu sauce. Really, really good. Oh my god, I thought it said 2017. It's October 17. I was like, no wonder it tastes so tangy. Okay, so yeah, that's what we have. I am super excited because I made a decision to launch something, and I was gonna do it like another, I don't know, I was gonna do it like at another time. My hair, it's all wet because I exercised and then we took a shower. But I'm excited because I have something that I'm gonna launch, and it's gonna be for this month, and I'm debating if it's just gonna be this month only. But we'll see, because I have other things I want to launch, but I'm gonna do it during spring. If you guys ever seen the show 60 Days In, you will be addicted. It's literally like, I don't know if I could survive. I feel like if I had to do that and I had to participate, I would survive. I would have to, right? I'd probably cry the first couple of nights. But what else? Tonight, I'm also going to show you my nighttime skincare routine because I didn't vlog too much today. And my mom didn't want to do the Q&A, and I was supposed to film that today. And then she wasn't up for it, so I don't want to force her. Obviously, she said she'll do it another day. And yeah, so I need to figure out what to put. So I'm going to do my nighttime skincare routine. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. But that's our dinner tonight, and we're just going to watch 60 Days In. So I didn't show you my nighttime routine because we just went to bed. We went to bed super late, and then I just barely put on just moisturizer and eye cream, and that was it. Wasn't really like my real nighttime routine, but I figured I'd show you something that I made, and it's my favorite breakfast ever, and it's huevos rancheros, and it's basically a corn tortilla with an egg, salsa, and cilantro, and I'm a cilantro lover. I think you guys can tell. Is it good? Mm-hmm. Yeah, we can get some ASMR going on right now. ASMR. So yeah, so this is what I made. Sorry, maybe we can do just the next day of the Advent, yeah? So we can add on to this vlog too. It's kind of short, this vlog. Okay. Not every day is going to be super long. My videos have already been so long all the other days, so I'm sure you guys understand. And to keep up with Vlogmas and all that is a lot. So, yeah. Like, what the hell? So, I am currently wrapping presents. I have Hercules over here. And you guys, we can tell he got in a fight. He has like a little scratch on his nose. Hercules, come here. Let's show them your battle wound. He's probably thinking like, how many animals do these people have? Let's show your scratch, see? Who were you fighting? No battling. No fighting.
He's a Viking cat.
A Viking cat. Those are presents. He saw this and he's like, that's a tag. That's a tag. Okay, let's not do that. It's your favorite time where we battle it out.
Battling it out.
Do you notice I have freckles today?
No, I don't see anything.
Yeah.
I thought those were pimples.
Oh my gosh, I put little freckles. They look... Shush. Okay.
Woo!
No, woo. Okay, let's open our stuff, cheater. I'm gonna bring them over there.
I already know what the other one is, duh.
Oh, you're so annoying.
Anyways, we are on day 7, peeps.
Yeah, you would know what day we're on,
Day
cheater.
7. Oh, hell yeah.
What is it?
Huh?
What is it? 7 minus small.
Mine is pretty cool.
What is it? Well, did you show the thing or the picture?
I'll show them right now.
Let's see.
Woo!
It's a pencil. I hope it's a a lip pencil. You guys, I've been obsessed with lip liners, and video coming soon on all the lip products I've been using, because I've been getting so many comments and compliments on what I've been using lately, and I'm obsessed. I hope it's a lip pencil. Oh, it's an eyeliner. Not bad. A black one. Right there. You can't go wrong with black. Okay. Now my 12 days of Bootsy. 12 days of beauty. Sigma. It's a bag. It's a bag to hold everything. Yeah. Oh, this one's cute. This one's a little itty bitty. So now I can hold, I have all my little advent calendar stuff. My little travel brush. So, oh, I bet you anything this is going to hold everything that I got.
That
like, included my little Sigmax.
Very interesting.
Thing. Yeah. Open your shit.
I already did. I already put it together. I know a lot of people bought the set for one of these, but this is a Sith Trooper right here. See that? Boom. Sith Trooper. Oh, your head's in the way.
Oh, sorry.
As per usual. Alright, Sith. Oh, God. Yeah. We're going to have to edit this. The Sith Trooper. This is from the New Order, so it's not from the original series. And I think this was like one of the big ones that everybody wanted. That's why they got this advent calendar, because people actually collect these little minifigs, and sometimes, yeah, they are pretty expensive online if you sell them separately.
Yeah, separately. So they'll sell the Lego, like the set, and then that separately. So it's like now you need to make 2 different transactions, even though they come together.
People do that.
Okay, ready?
Yes, let's do this.
Your marks, get set, go.
Well, those are horrible. Yeah, Christmas stocking. So this is the first one that we got. Day 1. We just got another one. They do that, so they put doubles. You put doubles, the same gummy inside. You know, you're trying to. Why don't we just put doubles? People might like that. So that's what. Yeah, exactly what they did. But these are bomb. I like them.
These ones were good.
They always have one little tropical one, and I'm tasting that right now. I think it was guava.
I like the blocks. I think those are really good. This one was really good.
Mm-hmm. Really good.
Isn't the Fantasia, isn't that the tropical or no?
They have some tropical ones in there, but
there's one that we didn't know what it was one year, and we'll eventually get it and we'll show you, but it's not like, it's not a wiener, it's pacifier. Like, what is this? You guys will see. I can't wait till we get
like
this.
A micro wiener.
Alright guys, well that's going to be it today for the vlog. I'm going to post this up like ASAP today because this will be day 7 of Glismas. Or actually, some people said, why don't you include Glenn? And that's so true. So Glismas. So today is going to be Glismas. Whenever it's just me, it's going to be Glismas. But I want to do shout outs because I haven't done any shout outs lately. This one's from Sam G, and I always see you comment as well. And she said, the movie you're thinking about was Narnia, Edmund's favorite treat, Turkish delight. Love that movie. If you guys haven't seen my Costco haul, go check it out. And yes, that was the Turkish delight. And I always wanted that as a kid. Let's do it from Worth the Hype. Okay. Let's see. Oh, okay, this one. Yes, okay, this one's from Sarah McPherson, and she said, oh my god, yes! I would absolutely love a dance class taught by you. I'm really excited for this. If you guys didn't watch that video, it's a testing high-end makeup. Go check it out. I talked about it. I have finally decided that I will share the Tahitian Ori culture with you guys, and I plan on doing classes. It's going to be completely separate than YouTube because I don't want any trolls. I don't want to see any unnecessary comments, and I've already decided that what site it will go on and all of that. I'll make it super, super affordable for you guys, and I want to do also lives because you can do lives on there. But it'll be super fun. I'm going to do already set classes so you can go back to the class, retake it, all of that. And then I want to schedule where I can email you guys. You guys will get notifications when we will do an actual live class and all of that. Because I want interaction too, because I want to be able to see you guys and we'll figure it out. But it's going to be super awesome. I've been talking to Glenn about it for a while and he's been telling me to do it. And I finally will. And it's going to be so much fun and I can't wait to teach you guys. And it's going to be a really good workout because the other day I was working out. I was drenched in sweat. Like, you will feel muscles and like nooks and crannies, and things will be sore, and your whole body, I'm telling you, will get it nice and loose. We'll get you moving, and it'll be really fun. But you're gonna figure out some muscles and nooks and crannies you never knew you had. So I'm excited. Are you gonna be excited for me?
Yeah, no.
Or are you just gonna sit there like a creeper?
No, I actually I'm wondering if I should wipe the blood off the hand from my hand from where you scratched it from earlier right now.
I scratched your hand?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Well, you know what? Now we can show the bruise right here. And what else did you do to me? You've done multiple things.
Multiple things.
I'm going to set it all up. I have a new mic I'm going to have so I could have it wireless. So I'm obviously dancing with you guys at the same exact time. And we'll go through everything from like beginning to end. And we will get it done. I'm excited. I want to launch this in January. Just because that's when we need the motivation. And that's when everybody's more pumped. And I think it'll be great to start from the beginning of the year. And we'll see how far we go within to the whole year. I mean, I would love to do it. So, yeah. Okay, go watch that video. Let me shout out. I want to shout out just a couple more because I feel like I haven't shouted out. Then I had a comment from Little Lou, and she said, Glenn's little YouTuber hand all far from the Star Wars pieces. A for effort. Everybody was complimenting your little Star Wars, your YouTube hand. And then someone else commented something so funny. Oh, Yvette Castillo, she said, Lizzy, you're a cheater. Everyone agreed. Also, Lizzy, you guys, I'm going to cheat for the advent calendar. I thought that was super funny. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Glismas, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Woo-hoo!